Changes to SNAP and P-EBT programs in 2023. What you need to know. In 2023, significant changes took place in the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, and Pandemic Electronic Benefit Transfer, P-EBT programs. These changes affect the benefits received by millions of American families, making it essential for recipients to understand what these changes are and how they could impact their households. Changes to P-EBT for summer 2023. The United States Department of Agriculture's USDA Food and Nutrition Service, FNS, released new guidance for states to assist in the development of P-EBT plans for the summer of 2023. The guidance includes several significant changes to the P-EBT program. The changes include: states are now authorized to provide P-EBT benefits in the summer months, regardless of whether they provide these benefits during the school year. This change enables states to offer P-EBT benefits in summer 2023, even if they did not have an approved P-EBT plan in place for the 2022-23 school year. States are prohibited from providing P-EBT benefits in summer 2023 to children who did not attend a school participating in the National School Lunch Program or the School Breakfast Program at the end of the 2022-23 school year. The P-EBT benefit for the entire 2023 covered summer period shall not exceed $120 per eligible child. All funds must be distributed by the end of fiscal year 2023, which is September 30, 2023. End of SNAP emergency allotments. The temporary boost to SNAP benefits, known as emergency allotments, ended nationwide after February 2023. These emergency allotments were a temporary strategy authorized by Congress to help low-income individuals and families cope with the hardships of the pandemic. The Consolidated Appropriations Act, 2023, ended these emergency allotments, and by March 2023, all SNAP households' benefits returned to normal amounts without the added supplement. The emergency allotments allowed all SNAP households to receive an additional $95 in benefits or an additional benefit valued up to the maximum benefit for their household size, whichever value is greater. When the emergency allotments ended, SNAP benefit amounts returned to their normal levels, which depend on household income. Changes to SNAP waivers. Other SNAP waivers are expected to remain in effect until the end of the federal public health emergency. These include the suspension of the time limit for able-bodied adults without dependents, ABAWDs, and the temporary student exemptions that allowed certain students pursuing higher education at least half-time to be eligible to receive SNAP benefits. The suspension for ABAWDs will end the month after the public health emergency declaration ends, and the student exemptions will be phased out starting 30 days after the federal public health emergency ends. Impact of the Social Security Administration's cost of living adjustment. The Social Security Administration, SSA, is required to make a cost of living adjustment, COLA, every year to ensure Social Security benefits keep up with inflation. While the SSA's COLA impacts SNAP benefit amounts every year, the 2023 COLA is the largest in 40 years. Households that receive both SNAP and Social Security benefits saw a decrease in their SNAP benefits as early as January 2023 due to the significant increase in their Social Security benefits to reflect the cost of living. In 2023, changes to SNAP and P-EBT benefits have introduced new considerations for households that rely on these programs. As the nation continues to recover from the economic impact of the pandemic, it is crucial for beneficiaries to stay informed about these changes and how they may affect their benefits. While some changes, such as the end of SNAP emergency allotments, may reduce benefit amounts, other shifts, like the expansion of P-EBT benefits to summer months, are designed to provide additional support during specific periods. Subscribe or follow Studio G for more news, sports, and entertainment updates.